Business is full of risks. Some managers feel like they're leading their companies on a high-wire act, while others feed off the exhilaration of risk. Opportunities to manage risk are well received by many in business. Astute financial managers are well versed in methods for tailoring risk levels for investment portfolios. Derivatives are investment tools for financial engineering that are used to lower risk or to invest to leverage gains. A derivative is a financial asset that represents a claim to another financial asset. So a derivative asset derives value from that corresponding underlying asset. They are sometimes thought of as side bets on the value of the underlying asset, such as a stock or commodity. Options, futures, forwards, and swaps are all derivatives. There are many uses for derivatives. The primary applications are hedging, investing, asset allocation, and indexing, a strategy which involves matching major market indices. Other applications are international access from U.S. markets, market timing, tax minimization, and the management of cash flows for portfolios. One major hub of derivatives trading is the Chicago Board Options Exchange, or CBOE. It was founded in 1973, and today it's the world's largest options market with an average daily trading value of more than $20 billion.